A properly designed home will never feel small. Maximizing the interior space for this two-bedroom house. A minimalist and clean finish with touches of gold as per client's request. We added the TV cabinet, bar counter, range hood, and seamless pantry cabinet beside the fridge. We added some shelves and storage cabinets for the toilet and baths. The second floor receiving area will have a space for a seating nook and a home office. This is the master bedroom. It is complete with a double-sized bed, reading nook, vanity area, and a wardrobe for his and hers. The second bedroom will be for a young lady, complete with a bunk bed, reading nook, study, and vanity area. Transform your dream concept into visual reality. Till next time.